Learn English to Gujarati connectors. Moreover, furthermore, especially and.
मुख्यत्वे.
Welcome, language detective. You are about to learn how to sound smarter, funnier, and slightly more dramatic in Gujarati. Yes, today your sentences will wear tiny formal hats. Today you will meet these useful words. Moreover equals.
उपरांत.
Furthermore equals.
વધુમાં.
Another common, moreover, equals.
વધુમાં.
Not least equals.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
Especially equals.
ખાસ કરીને.
Above all equals.
સૌથી પહેલા.
And mainly equals.
મુખ્યત્વે.
These are the words that make your ideas connect nicely instead of crashing into each other like shopping carts. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, smile, and steal the patterns like a very polite word thief. If you want to add one more strong point, use
ઉપરાંત.
or.
વધુમાં.
If you want to highlight something special, use
ખાસ કરીને.
If you want to say the most important thing, use
સૌથી પહેલા.
If you want to say, for the most part, use
મુખ્યત્વે.
If you want a dramatic final important reason, use
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
Yes, it is long. No, it is not trying to be short. Moreover and furthermore. Let us start with the elegant cousins of also. These words walk into the room wearing blazers. Moreover is
ઉપરાંત.
example.
ઉપરાંત, યોજના સસ્તી છે.
That means, moreover, the plan is affordable. Furthermore is
વધુમાં.
example.
વધુમાં, અમને વધુ સમય જોઈએ.
That means, furthermore, we need more time. You will also hear, moreover, expressed as
વધુમાં.
so,
ઉપરાંત.
and
વધુમાં.
can both help you add another point. Try this pattern. The hotel was cheap.
વધુમાં.
It was clean. Congratulations, you now sound like you review hotels for a living. A tiny dialogue with big confidence. Now listen to these mini dialogues and imagine yourself sounding wonderfully organized. A. The room is quiet. B.
ઉપરાંત.
It is close to the station. A. We should leave early. B.
વધુમાં.
The traffic will be heavy. A. The restaurant is cheap. B.
વધુમાં.
The food is excellent. A. Why do you like this plan? B. It is simple.
ઉપરાંત.
It is practical. Also, unlike my last plan, it does not involve a goat and a trampoline. Especially, the spotlight word. This word points at one thing and says, you. Yes, you. You are important. Especially is.
ખાસ કરીને.
Example. I especially like this book becomes, I like this book.
ખાસ કરીને.
Another example.
મને સવારે ખાસ કરીને આનંદ આવે છે.
That means, I especially enjoy mornings. Use.
ખાસ કરીને.
When one item stands out from the group, like one jalebi calling your name from the plate. Above all, the boss word. Some words add information. This one enters the meeting, clears its throat, and sets priorities. Above all is
સૌથી પહેલા.
example.
સૌથી પહેલા, આપણે શાંત રહેવું જોઈએ.
Above all, we need to stay calm. Another useful sentence is
સૌથી પહેલા, સુરક્ષા પ્રથમ આવે છે.
This word is perfect when you want to say what matters most. It is the sentence equivalent of putting a crown on one idea. Mainly, mostly, chiefly. This next word is for those moments when one thing is not the only thing, but it is definitely the big thing. Mainly is
મુખ્યત્વે.
example.
હું અહીં મુખ્યત્વે મદદ કરવા આવ્યો હતો.
That means, I came here mainly to help. Example.
પ્રેક્ષકો મુખ્યત્વે વિદ્યાર્થીઓના હતા.
That means, the audience consisted mainly of students. Important tip.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Does not mean only. It means mostly or for the main part. So if your plate is
મુખ્યત્વે.
dessert, you can still pretend the lonely leaf of lettuce counts. Not least, dramatic but useful. Now for the wonderfully long phrase that sounds like it deserves its own chair at a formal event. Not least is
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
You use it to add an important reason, often near the end of a list. Example. The book is useful for many reasons.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
Because it is clear. Another example. He deserves praise.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
For his patience. This phrase is long, yes, but it gives your speech a polished, thoughtful feeling. A silly story to remember everything. Stories help words stick, especially when the story is a little ridiculous. So naturally, here comes a ridiculous story. A student walks into a Gujarati debate club with one good argument. He says, the plan is cheap. Then he raises one finger and adds,
ઉપરાંત.
it is reliable. The crowd nods. He gets brave and says,
વધુમાં.
we have enough time. A teacher smiles.
ખાસ કરીને.
At that point, because the sentence is smooth. Then the club president stands up and says,
સૌથી પહેલા.
stay calm and speak clearly. Our student continues, I came here
મુખ્યત્વે.
to learn. Finally, he bows and says, there are many reasons this club is great.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
Because they gave me snacks. The audience claps, mostly for the grammar, also for the snacks. Quick practice drill. Now it is your turn. I will give the English idea and you mentally say the Gujarati word. Moreover.
ઉપરાંત.
Furthermore.
વધુમાં.
Moreover, alternate formal connector.
વધુમાં.
Especially.
ખાસ કરીને.
Above all.
સૌથી પહેલા.
Mainly.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Not least.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
If you got that one right, please award yourself a royal mango. Mini quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Let us test your ears without making this feel like a school exam from a scary dream. Which word means especially?
ખાસ કરીને.
Which word means mainly?
મુખ્યત્વે.
Which word means above all?
સૌથી પહેલા.
Which word means moreover?
ઉપરાંત.
Which word means furthermore?
વધુમાં.
Which long phrase means not least?
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and your Gujarati just became more elegant. Also, your imaginary debate club is very proud of you. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
ઉપરાંત. વધુમાં. ખાસ કરીને. સૌથી પહેલા. મુખ્યત્વે.
And.
છેલ્લે નહીં પણ ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં.
In your own sentences, practice a little every day, say them aloud, and do not worry if you sound formal at first. Formal is good. Formal with confidence is even better. Keep going, keep practicing, and enjoy your Gujarati journey.